Parking lots, driveways, and alleys create many blind spots and challenges for motorists. You may be faced with traffic moving in several directions, other motorists who fail to yield or signal their intentions, and pedestrians darting out from behind parked vehicles. Parking lots also have stationary objects, such as traffic signs, lampposts, and buildings, which can obstruct your view and leave you with little to no room for evasive action. A long driveway or alley can have trees, fences, and other items which obstruct your view and the view other motorists have of you.